Hey, so I have just dropped a new song. But the thing is, you won't find it on Spotify or Apple Music or on any other streaming platform. And no, this is not a marketing stunt or a mysterious rollout. This is me testing if an independent artist can release a song without the machine in 2025. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, I'm Vatsal and I'm an artist, songwriter and music producer, and in this video, I'm giving you my reasons to not releasing my song on Spotify, Apple Music and all of these streaming platforms. So without wasting any second, let's dive right into it. So if you're an independent artist in 2025, you already know how bad the streaming payout is. It's like 0.003 cents per stream on a song. And don't get me wrong, I do not hate the concept of streaming. I love it because your song will live forever. But the effort, the energy, the time, the investment that goes into creating a song is far more than the 0.003 cents per stream. This also means if my song gets 10,000 views or streams, I'm only gonna get $30. This is not gonna make my ends meet. And that's why I am forced to do all of the other things with my music. But making one song sometimes takes days, weeks, months, or sometimes years. There is writing, there is recording, there is production, there is mixing, there is mastering, there is content creation, there is cover art generation, and a lot more. And then you have to pay to upload it on Spotify or Apple Music or these streaming platforms. Also, these distribution services charge money. They charge a yearly fees. And if you stop paying, your music disappears. So yeah, your music might be available forever, but only if you keep paying the rent. And after all of this time and energy and efforts and investment, you'll get 0.3 cents per play. Now let me give you a sneak peek of what goes into creating a song. So let's take an example of Moxie. Let's break it down. So for the initial idea, it took me around 2 to 3 hours. For producing the song, it took me around 5 to 7 hours. For recording the vocals and guitars, it took 3 to 5 hours. For mixing, oh my god. At that time, it took me around 3 days for mixing this song. Redrafts after redrafts. Then it's the music videos, the short form videos. They can easily take a week to create sometimes. And all of this effort, all of this stress, all of this energy only worth around 0.003 cents. Oh my god. At this point, trust me, it doesn't sit right with me. It seems not fair. Simply, it's not fair. When Spotify is making money off of our music and we are not making money from our own music, I think the model is broken. And again, I do not hate these platforms. I'm still gonna be releasing my songs on them. But this is the one problem I think people aren't really talking about. And I also know right now people are not into buying stuff or owning stuff because everyone is hanging on these subscriptions. These bigger companies are forcing us to. But I also know there are people who will support you and who will find your music and they'll buy it if you'll give them right mediums and channels and just give them a clear picture of how they can do it. So here's what I'm doing instead. You can listen to the song on YouTube for free. And you can buy it and own it on Bandcamp and even. And once you buy it, you will get that actual audio file, the high quality WAV file. You can keep it on your smartphone or your laptops or any device you like. No algorithms, no ads, no platforms, no middlemen, and just me as an artist and you as a listener. And again, I'm not saying by any means whatsoever that I'm not going to release songs on Spotify, Apple Music and more. But every once in a while, I'm going to be releasing a song exclusively on these platforms. So let's see what happens. This is an experiment, a question. Can one song without playlists, without DSPs, without these bigger names still matter? Can people listen to the song and say, it's still worth it? I'm betting on that, actually. And I'm betting on you. And if you're watching this and you also feel like this system is not serving artists right, then it's time to raise your voice. So Moxie is out. Me and my friend A Beast have worked extremely hard on this song. This is the remix version of the song. It's basically the rock version. Before it was a synthwave version, but now it's the rock version. And we have worked extremely hard to bring this idea to life. And it's now on you guys. So follow me on Instagram if you want. I'm telling stories, skits, and much more on Instagram in the short content format. And yeah, enjoy. So this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Comment what you think, how I can promote this song, because it's not gonna be on Spotify, Apple Music, and other streaming platforms. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you.